Get ready, crypto enthusiasts, because the news cycle is absolutely exploding, and you are not going to want to miss a single second of this. We've got some massive developments that are shaking up the entire digital asset space. The market is moving at lightning speed, and staying ahead means knowing what's happening right now. We're diving deep into the strategies that could redefine value. Buckle up, because this is Bitcoin Bulletin, and we're bringing you the unmissable updates that matter. First up, we're breaking down the incredible influence of a prominent family on the future of Bitcoin, exploring how their strategic moves could be paving the way for unprecedented growth. Could this be the catalyst for Bitcoin hitting that million-dollar mark? We've got the inside scoop on the calculated decisions that are making waves. Then, we're shifting gears to a game-changing partnership that's set to redefine stability and scalability. Get ready to explore how a major stablecoin is making a bold leap onto Bitcoin's innovative RGB protocol, a move that promises to revolutionize transactions and unlock new levels of integration. This is big. And if that wasn't enough, we're looking at the cutting edge of innovation where artificial intelligence is colliding with blockchain technology, hinting at the next wave of disruption. Plus, we're dissecting a monumental merger that could reshape institutional access to digital assets. Don't go anywhere, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. A family's financial footprint. In the fast-paced world of digital assets, where market shifts can occur in the blink of an eye, a prominent family's strategic involvement with Bitcoin is creating significant buzz. This isn't just about investment. It's about influence and the potential to shape the very trajectory of the cryptocurrency's future. We're talking about a calculated approach that analysts believe could be a major catalyst for Bitcoin's ascent, with whispers of it reaching the coveted $1 million mark, gaining serious traction. The implications of such a prominent endorsement and strategic positioning are vast, potentially attracting new waves of institutional and retail interest alike. This family's deep dive into the Bitcoin ecosystem signifies more than just a financial bet. It's a statement about the perceived long-term value and stability of digital currencies. Their moves are being closely watched, not just for the immediate market impact, but for the broader narrative they are helping to build around Bitcoin's legitimacy and its role in the global financial landscape. Understanding the nuances of their strategy is key to grasping the potential upside and the evolving dynamics of the cryptocurrency market. This is a developing story that could very well redefine what's possible in the digital asset space. The market is buzzing with speculation about how these strategic maneuvers will play out, and whether this influential backing will indeed be the key to unlocking unprecedented price levels for Bitcoin. But what happens when stability meets cutting-edge technology? Stick around as we explore a groundbreaking partnership that's set to revolutionize how we think about stablecoins and blockchain integration. Bridging worlds, Tether's bold Bitcoin move. The stablecoin market, a cornerstone of the digital finance ecosystem, is experiencing unprecedented growth, with total value locked poised to shatter records and reach an astounding $300 billion. At the forefront of this expansion is Tether, the issuer of the dominant USDT stablecoin, which commands over half of the market share. In a move that signals a significant technological leap and a strategic embrace of Bitcoin's robust infrastructure, Tether has announced its intention to launch USDT on the RGB protocol. This innovative Layer 2 scaling solution for Bitcoin promises to enhance transaction flexibility and efficiency without compromising the stablecoin's crucial dollar peg. The integration with RGB is particularly noteworthy because it enables off-chain transactions. This means that a vast number of transactions can be processed away from the main Bitcoin blockchain, leading to dramatically reduced fees and significantly faster settlement times. Crucially, RGB maintains the immutability and transparency associated with the Bitcoin network by leveraging its underlying security. This development is a game-changer for Bitcoin's burgeoning decentralized finance, DeFi sector, which has been actively seeking ways to incorporate stablecoins for enhanced liquidity and yield-generating opportunities. Analysts are highlighting this move as a potential catalyst for deeper integration of Bitcoin's substantial liquidity into the broader crypto landscape. making it easier for users and projects to access and utilize stable value within the Bitcoin ecosystem. Furthermore, Tether's foray into the RGB protocol could set a precedent for other stablecoin issuers, potentially igniting a new wave of cross-chain deployments. This aligns perfectly with the industry's ongoing quest to overcome the persistent challenges of blockchain interoperability and scalability. By choosing to build on Bitcoin's foundational technology, Tether is strategically positioning itself to capitalize on Bitcoin's evolving role as a critical piece of the Internet's financial infrastructure. However, this expansion does not come without its own set of considerations. The stablecoin market, and Tether in particular, continues to face heightened regulatory scrutiny. While Tether has consistently asserted that its liabilities are fully backed by a diverse portfolio of assets, including cash and short-term instruments, the increasing interaction between stablecoins and traditional financial systems means that any new protocol integration will likely attract further attention from financial authorities worldwide. The success and adoption of USDT on RGB will be closely watched, not only for its technological implications, but also for its navigation of the complex regulatory environment. But the future of finance isn't just about stablecoins, it's also about the intelligence driving it. Get ready to discover how AI is set to disrupt the blockchain world next. AI's blockchain blueprint. The convergence of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology is rapidly emerging as the next frontier for disruptive innovation, and the upcoming Bitcoin World Disrupt 2025 conference is poised to be a central stage for this paradigm shift. This event is set to spotlight how AI-driven startups are not merely integrating with blockchain, but are fundamentally reshaping its capabilities and applications. We're looking at a future where AI enhances the security, efficiency, and intelligence of decentralized systems, creating unprecedented opportunities across various sectors. AI's role in blockchain development is multifaceted. For starters, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of blockchain data to identify patterns, detect fraudulent activities, and predict market trends with remarkable accuracy. This capability is crucial for enhancing the security of decentralized networks, making them more resilient against attacks. Furthermore, AI can optimize blockchain operations, such as improving transaction processing speeds and reducing energy consumption, addressing some of the core scalability challenges that have long plagued the technology. Startups are leveraging AI to create smarter smart contracts, develop more sophisticated decentralized applications, DApps, and automate complex processes within decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. Beyond technical enhancements, AI is also poised to revolutionize how users interact with blockchain technology. Imagine AI-powered interfaces that simplify complex blockchain interactions, making decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, accessible to a much broader audience. AI can also personalize user experiences within blockchain ecosystems, recommending relevant DApps or investment opportunities based on individual behavior and preferences. This humanizes the often intimidating world of crypto and blockchain, fostering greater adoption. The potential for AI to drive innovation extends to areas like supply chain management, where AI can ensure transparency and traceability, and in digital identity solutions, where AI can enhance verification processes while preserving privacy. The Bitcoin World Disrupt 2025 conference will serve as a critical platform for these AI-driven blockchain startups to showcase their advancements, attract investment, and forge strategic partnerships. Industry experts anticipate that this synergy between AI and blockchain will unlock new business models, create more efficient markets, and ultimately lead to a more intelligent and interconnected digital future. The disruption promised by these AI-powered ventures is not just incremental. It represents a fundamental reimagining of what blockchain technology can achieve, pushing the boundaries of what is currently possible and setting the stage for the next major wave of technological evolution. And speaking of evolution, get ready for a major shakeup in institutional access to digital assets as two significant players prepare to join forces. A new force in institutional Bitcoin, Gryphon and American Bitcoin unite. In a significant development poised to reshape the landscape of institutional Bitcoin exposure, Gryphon, a prominent player in the digital asset mining and infrastructure sector, is merging with American Bitcoin, a company with notable connections to the influential Trump family. This strategic consolidation marks a pivotal moment, signaling a new era of institutional engagement with Bitcoin and potentially amplifying the influence of key figures in the digital asset space. The merger is expected to create a more robust entity, better equipped to navigate the complexities of the market and capitalize on the growing institutional demand for Bitcoin-related services and investments. American Bitcoin's association with the Trump family brings a unique dimension to this merger. While the specifics of their direct involvement are still unfolding, the family's considerable influence in political and business circles could translate into significant advantages for the combined entity. This includes navigating regulatory environments, fostering broader adoption, and attracting a wider range of investors, including those who may have previously been hesitant to engage with the cryptocurrency market. The Trump family's historical track record in real estate and business development suggests a strategic approach to growth and market penetration, which could be highly beneficial in the burgeoning digital asset industry. Gryphon, on the other hand, brings its established expertise in Bitcoin mining operations, energy solutions, and secure data center infrastructure. This operational prowess is crucial for supporting the scalability and efficiency required by institutional clients. By combining Gryphon's technical capabilities with American Bitcoin's strategic market positioning and influential backing, the merged company aims to offer a comprehensive suite of services. These could range from direct Bitcoin investment vehicles and mining operations to specialized financial products designed for institutional investors seeking regulated and secure exposure to digital assets. The goal is to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the digital asset world, making Bitcoin more accessible and appealing to a broader institutional base. This merger is indicative of a broader trend where traditional financial players and influential families are increasingly recognizing the long-term potential of Bitcoin. As regulatory clarity improves and the infrastructure for institutional investment matures, such consolidations are likely to become more common. The combined strength of Gryphon and American Bitcoin could lead to greater market stability, increased liquidity, and the development of innovative financial instruments that cater specifically to the needs of institutional investors. The market will be keenly observing how this new entity leverages its combined strengths and influential connections to carve out a significant share in the institutional Bitcoin market. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. What a ride it's been! Make sure you're subscribed and the notification bell is on, because we'll be back with more groundbreaking news soon. That was a whirlwind tour of the biggest stories shaping our digital future. We saw how a prominent family's strategy could be driving Bitcoin towards $1 million. Explored Tether's massive leap onto Bitcoin's RGB protocol for enhanced stability and scalability. Witnessed the AI revolution meeting blockchain at Bitcoin World Disrupt 2025. And analyzed the game-changing merger creating a new powerhouse in institutional Bitcoin exposure. Don't miss out on any of these crucial updates. Smash that like button, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for your daily dose of crypto insights, and hit that notification bell so you're always in the know. Plus, follow us on all our social channels for even more exclusive content and real-time market analysis. We'll see you in the next one.